Okay, you guys, this is the puzzle table. It's a great investment. It comes with a plastic cover to go on top to keep the puzzles protected. It comes with 2 drawers on both sides. It also comes with a latch. The drawers are very spacious and large. The only thing that I dislike is this little tiny knob here. It's very difficult to grab, to pull it out. And also on my table, this one drawer is, I believe it's just a little off balance because it is a little difficult pulling it out and pushing it back in. Whereas the rest of them come out with ease, no problem. Other than that, it's a great table. I wouldn't advise sitting on it, but I'm pushing weight on it and it's fairly sturdy. So yeah, if you're looking for a good puzzle table, not so expensive, this is great.
Go level. Trying to get the drawers. Okay, not yet. Okay, you can stop.
As you can see, she's got it going down across the board, but that one strap doesn't fit. Same across the side. So, good quality, just doesn't fit a 1,500 piece puzzle as advertised.
Oh, let's go.